In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account, then head over to your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you'll do in Klaviyo. From here, look for the navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your past, current, and scheduled campaigns will live. On the Campaigns page, go ahead and click on Create Campaign. Klaviyo will now ask you to set up the basics. Start by typing in a clear campaign name. Choose something descriptive, like March newsletter, new arrivals, so you can easily recognize it later, especially when you have multiple campaigns running. Next, you'll choose the channel type. For this tutorial, select single channel, since we're focusing on email only. Once that's selected, click Continue to move on. Now it's time to choose who will receive this campaign. Click on Select a list or segment. Klaviyo will show you your existing lists and segments, such as newsletter subscribers or VIP customers. Click on the list or segment that you want to send this email to. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. On the next screen, you'll set up your email content details. Type in your subject line and your preview text. The subject line is what people see first in their inbox, so keep it clear and compelling. The preview text appears next to or below the subject and gives a little more context, so use it to encourage opens. After that, scroll down to choose your email design. Click on the template you want to use. You can pick a layout that matches the style of message you're sending, like a simple announcement or a product-focused email. Once you've chosen, click Use Template. Make any edits you need in the editor, and when you're done customizing, click Next. Now you're ready to schedule or send your campaign. Click on Schedule or Send. You'll see a fixed send time drop down. Click on that and choose whether you want a fixed send time or a gradual send over several hours, which can help spread out traffic to your site. Next, click on the date field and choose the date you want the campaign to go out. Then click on the time field and select the time. After that, click on the time zone field. You can choose recipient's local time zone if you want everyone to receive the email at the same local time, or select a specific region time zone if that makes more sense for your audience. When all the scheduling details look correct, click on Schedule Message. Your campaign is now set up,